Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, GGFAISON, and it is an open invitation. Yes, I will be serving as the co-host along with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We will be the co-host with Miss Stephanie of Creatively Msme with Stephanie. Now this is the One Pot Meal Challenge, and it will be held on February the 5th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, what to include in the One Pot Meal Challenge? It could be a pot of soup, it could be appetizers, it could be casserole, just anything in a one pot meal. It could even be a salad. If the salad is your meal, then of course create your salad in a way that it shows that it's a one pot meal. Now, the rules for this collaboration is the upload date is February 5th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Prepare a meal or appetizer in a crock pot, rice cooker, pressure cooker, etc. Include your recipe in the description box as we are sharing recipes. And also, we ask that you have our channel links in your description box. Be subscribed to all channels. And the other thing is, we want you guys to have fun, but make sure you use the hashtag OnePotMeal22. That way, if you cannot link to the playlist, which will be available on February 4th, if you use that hashtag, we will be able to locate your video for you. Have fun and enjoy. Now, if you are thinking about becoming a creator and you love to cook and you have not had that opportunity to jump to defeat fear, well, we welcome each of you to join in with us on this date here using all the detailed information that's in that I have left for you. And come on in, defeat fear. It's a new year. Go ahead, start up and share. We welcome you. Again, I'm GGFAISON, your host. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. Be blessed, you guys. Take care and look forward to seeing you, all of you, in the One Pot Meal Challenge. And if you're planning to participate, just leave me a comment in the comment section. I'm in. That way we can look for you on February 5th.